That last candle. No, they got it. They had to pull a sneaky one at the end of the day, but they did get it. All right. Well, another 130 basis point down day for the SPX. Looks like it was a little worse for NQ, down 170 BPS. Russell down 158, and Dow down 123. VIX futures up 10%, spot VIX up 12.78%. Still in backwardation with the contract in front. Yields are softening a bit now, but I think the 30-year peaked at like 320 basis points today and 4.95% yield. And the 20-year now above 5% at 5.12. The 10 and the 5 both kind of chopping around 4.8, and the 2-year is at 5.15. These are the highest yields for the 10 and the 30 since July of 2007. The Dixie ended the day above 107, but that seems to be softening a little bit now in after hours. There's kind of a fight for Dixie and this November high breakout just about all day. We did break above the resistance briefly, but ultimately failed the test for today. That can still keep pushing up tomorrow. I don't see anything alleviating any of the current pressure on yields or the dollar. There may have been some open market action by the Ministry of Finance in Japan as USD JPY hit 150 earlier today. There at least seemed to be. I don't know how effective that was. Well, it just wasn't that effective, frankly. ES closing the day just above that 42.63 resistance and climbing a bit more after close here. The beginnings of a breakout that may carry into tomorrow and see us retest the 42.50 level, or yeah, maybe just 42.40 actually. Well, I guess on SPX 42.70 or ES on 42.75. For SPX, we fell a little short of today's projection. We stayed within the same trend, but a bit short of the projection. I would say a turnaround here on our long-term trend would probably mean a bounce back. And I would probably set my target for that between 42.50 and 42.85 as the softer data over the next 2 days allows the bulls to de-risk some of their positioning at 42.50. But a lot of that will depend on what kind of overnight move we see tonight. And if we still continue to see some softening in yields on the dollar, that may not happen. And with tech starting to slip now, we may just start to pick up even more downside momentum. If we do break 4,200 tomorrow, our next downside target's really far away, down at 41.32.35. So the next leg of a downside could be quite large. I think that move is almost 230 BPS from where we're at now. And that puts us shockingly close to the JPM long puts, which are out in December. This could pick up quite a lot of delta if we start to fall into that range. Not only delta, but Vega as well. So we're on the precipice of quite a lot of downside potential right now. We'll see how it plays out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Congratulations to everybody. Quick name. Awesome shit, man. 100K on the day is dope. Or more. The rest of you, well done. I hope everyone made a little bit of money today. And I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.